How to see your bio on Instagram. If you want to see your Instagram bio, simply open your app first and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are logged in, you can just go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you get here, simply tap on the edit profile option, and then from here you should be able to see your bio. Your bio is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. So what you can do is, if your account is private, your bio will still be visible to those who have not followed you. And if you want to see your previous bios or your bio history, tap on the three lines and then head over to your activity. Scroll down all the way and until you find account history. And here on account history, you're going to filter out your bio. So tap on update tabs at the top and then select bio and then apply. Now all of your bio history will be shown right here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.